In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Fandom. If you're new to Fandom and would like to share your ideas, ask questions, start conversations, or interact with other members of a community, then this tutorial is for you. Posting on Fandom is a great way to engage with fellow fans, contribute to discussions, and become an active part of your favorite communities. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can confidently create your own post. To begin, sign into your Fandom account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to browse through the platform and explore the various pages available. Fandom hosts communities dedicated to countless topics, so you'll want to choose a page that matches the subject you would like to discuss or participate in. After selecting a page that interests you, look toward the right side of the screen and locate the discussion icon. Click on it to enter the discussion area associated with that community. This section contains conversations and posts that have already been created by other users. Spending a little time here can help you understand the types of discussions taking place and the topics that community members are actively talking about. As you browse through the discussion section, you'll notice that you can interact with existing posts. You have the ability to like posts and leave comments, allowing you to participate in conversations even before creating your own content. When you're ready to make your own post, return to the top of the discussion area and select the option to create a new post. Depending on the specific community and the available features, you may see different post formats. These can include standard text posts, polls, or quizzes. For a basic post, choose the text option. You'll then be prompted to enter a title for your post. Select the title that clearly reflects the topic you want to discuss. Next, type your message into the description field. This is where you can share your thoughts, ask a question, or provide information for other members to read. You may also have access to additional customization tools. These can allow you to format your text, include links, or upload images from your device to make your post more informative and engaging. Once you've finished writing your content, click Next. You'll then have the opportunity to choose a category and add tags if you'd like to make your post easier for others to discover. Finally, click Create Post to publish it. Your post will now appear in the discussion section where other community members can view it and interact with it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so